Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. I'm going to demonstrate on a 2016 F-150 that we have here. You have two fuse boxes, but the fuse box that we will need is located right under the hood on your F-150. And if you open the hood and you come next to the car battery, right here you have a fuse box. That's a cover that you need to open. And once you open that fuse box, you will see, guys, okay, your fuse box just like that. That will be the front of your F-150, that will be towards the windshield side. Now let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So, which fuse, guys, we need to check for the automatic wipers. Now, before we do that, let me show you. You have different kinds of fuses, guys, and relays. That if you live in a small town or you happen to break down in a small town, you may have a hard time finding those, or they can be really expensive. So, I recommend to keep spare fuses and relays in the glove box. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price and quick shipping. The fuse that you need to check will be in that fuse box here, and if you come in that row, first, second, that second fuse right here, guys, will be the one, okay, known as fuse number 23. That second fuse will be for the rain sensor and the automatic wiper. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.